at Goa International Airport from Kazakhstan carrying 159 passengers. And Goa Tourism is very happy to receive them and hope we get more inflow of foreign tourists and Goa enjoy this safe tourism.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm Chitra Vengulekar from Goa Tourism, Assistant Tourist Officer.
Okay. Thank you.
कोविड के बाद पहली फ्लाइट हमारी आ रही है चार्टर्ड की कजाकिस्तान से और हमारा वीक में 3 फ्लाइट होगा करीब 500 पैसेंजर्स जो है अगर न्यू कजाकिस्तान हमारा पार्टनर है, हम एक्सक्लूसिव पार्टनर है उसके, वो लोग आएंगे यहाँ पे। सबों के लिए खुशी का वक्त है, मतलब गोवा टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए बहुत अच्छी बात है। बहुत सारे लोग जो इस पर डिपेंडेंट थे उनको अब नौकरियाँ मिल सकेंगी, उनका रोजगार चल सकेगा।
Per week 500 passengers expected in Goa में.
What?
Per week 500.
पर वीक अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 500 पैसेंजर 3 times a week। हर बुधवार, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे एंड सैटरडे जो है फ्लाइट आएगी। और ये पहली बार हो रहा है कि एयर अस्ताना जो कि नेशनल कैरियर है कजाकिस्तान का, वो फ्लाइट आ रही है यहाँ पर।
कजाकिस्तान से बेसिकली फर्स्ट टाइम गोवा में टूरिस्ट।
हाँ, फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पे, मतलब कोविड के बाद हम फर्स्ट टाइम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। पूरी कजाकिस्तान जो है पहली बार फर्स्ट टाइम गोवा आ रहा है और एयर अस्ताना भी फर्स्ट टाइम जो है गोवा आ रहा है। बहुत
जो फर्स्ट चार्टर लैंड हुआ है ये अलमाटी से लैंड हुआ है एयर अस्ताना का। उसके बाद स्कैट एयरलाइंस इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू ऑपरेट फ्रॉम अलमाटी। देन वी हैव गॉट स्लॉट्स गिवन टू रोजिया ऑल्सो। Right now we have given around 40 slots to all these 3 airlines, but slowly and gradually I am expecting that these numbers are going to increase because as confidence grows, more slots will be asked. People, as you see today, we are having 159 passengers coming in the first charter flight. So it's a good sign in itself. All the protocols are being followed, all the things are being taken care for. Whatever testing requirements are there by Government of India, they are being followed. Whatever the protocols specified by state government are being followed. So I am looking for a better time. After 2 years, it's a good sign that our tourism is again reviving itself as far as international tourism is concerned. Our flights which are going in air bubble, we started with 1 flight, now Air Arabia is almost operating 5 flights a week. UK we have got 2 flights, 1 flight for Dubai. So things are looking very promising and I'm hopeful that by end of December things will further change and there will be more passengers, international passengers coming in. And as far as domestic is concerned, to be very honest with you, we have already crossed the pre-COVID level long back. Last Sunday I had 95 departures from here, which has never been even pre-COVID level. So passengers, tourists is coming into Goa. They are being advised, they are being taken care for, they are being told that there are certain things which they have to follow and I am hopeful they are being followed. Outside the airport also, as you see. So what we are trying to do is for the state of Goa, for the people of Goa, and all our efforts are in that direction.
Happiness for Goa that after suffering the pandemic for almost 2 years, the first charter is landing from Kazakhstan. So I am here to welcome the people who have come in that flight. It's a moment Goa has been waiting for. As you know, we are dependent on tourism. We are a world destination. And in that direction, when you had no people coming by the charters, where we had great numbers in the past, it was a very sad thing. Now that is past. Nevertheless, people have to be cautious. We are following the SOPs, but the show has to go on in terms of the economy running. The wheels of the economy have to run. Tourism has to go on. And people like traveling, and Goa is the most preferred destination. As you have seen, we have done everything that is necessary to make it a world-class airport, our Double M airport. In the past, people used to say, okay, the airport may close down. Where is the question of closing when we have spent already about 450 crores, another 250 crores are being spent on the expansion. Credit goes to Mr. Gagan Malik, who looks after the show, the airport director. I want to compliment him as well and all the officials present here who have been responsible for this. I think with the first charter arriving, it is a matter of time before the others follow suit. Already 40 slots have been given permission. More are bound to follow, and I think we have to learn to also live with the pandemic by taking precaution, by following the SOPs, by following government instructions. If we follow all that, then we will not be spreading the virus. So I think in the long run this augurs very well for Goa, because with mining having stopped, imagine how important tourism is for Goa, for its sustenance, for the wheels of economy to work, and that is how Goa wants to progress, by welcoming the tourists.